Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, check out behind me. That is snow, but look at this. Look what I'm wearing. And no gloves for a change. It's not cold. Hey, summer is coming. Well, actually it's spring right now here in Canada, but I'm out here today because I have a drone that looks like a Phantom and it is massive in size. Check this out. It takes up the whole screen. It is so huge. Who needs a Phantom 5 when you have this? Well, actually it's kind of small. My head is really big. This is the JJRC H68G. I believe that's what it is. And it is a drone that has a 1080p camera. It's got a GPS inside. You can put a micro SD right here in the little camera slot. Got a 300-meter range. It comes with a controller that has little metal switches here. I've never seen that in a controller, like at this price range. Pretty strange. And what else about this thing? Oh, the batteries. The batteries for this thing here, you can pick them up at your local hobby store. Very common batteries you can get any place. So let's go check it out and see how this thing flies. All right, when you open the app, you have to pick the model. So this here is the H68. Connect device. Hopefully this works. And we should have a picture of me outside here. There we go. There's my landing pad. So we're all good. There's my drone down there. When you get it all set to go, you have to press this button to do the compass calibration. There we go. And the compass calibration looks like this. You ready? You go like this. And it should beep. Hear that beep? Compass calibration is done. It was that simple. Looking on my screen, I can barely see it, but it looks like I have 16 or 15 satellites. It's up in the corner. Now you can see it. It looks like it's 15 satellites up in the right-hand corner. Let's see how this baby flies. A little bit of wind out here, so you pull these in. And let's take it up. All right, I got the GPS on. It is stable. I'm not doing anything. It's right here, guys. So that's pretty decent. I'm just gonna fly this thing up. I don't even have it full blast up, but that goes up nice. See the camera right there? I can move it down. They're going down, 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 and I can go back up just by holding the buttons. See right here? It says follow me. I'm gonna push that and see what happens. I pushed it. Oh, I heard a beep. That's moving now. All right, let's see if it follows me. Okay, so my phone, it works perfectly to follow me. It is following me. Let's see, it's coming around. I'm not doing anything, I'm just holding this out in front of me and the drone is following me. So if I walk towards it, it just keeps going backwards. So yeah, that worked quite well. Let me hit this and turn it off. There we go. It's spun around. I don't know where it's going now. And, oh, cool. It's another feature on here. See it on the screen, it says circle fly. Input circle radius. I don't know, I'm gonna put a number in there. And let's put a number of 5. A 5, I guess that's 5 meters. Let's see what happens. I have no idea what's gonna happen here. I hit confirm. It comes at you to kill you. I don't see it doing it. Oh, and now it's to do it. I'm not doing anything here. And I see. So when you put the number of 5 in, it will fly that many meters, then do the circle. So I said 5 meters, so it flew 5 meters out, and now it's circling automatically. There we go. I don't know if I still have this in record mode because I can't see my little screen. Let's try waypoint mode. Let's see if I get maps. Maps never work for me on Android phones. Look at that. See my screen? There is no maps anywhere on my screen. All right, let's try this one now. A lot of people are gonna wonder this. Oh, I don't know what that beep means. Oh, the beep means I'm out of power. It is flying back to home and landing itself. So there we go, went into low power and it's coming down where it thinks home is. Home's over here, but it's going over there. All right, so I'm filming myself on the actual drone camera right now. It's sitting on my car. I didn't get to try out the speeds. I had it in high speed. I didn't get to try out low speed. I think I tried everything else out because we saw the return home. The battery went low because when I was flying it and I couldn't get the maps to work, I had to exit the app because when I clicked at the bottom for Google Maps, I spent about 5 minutes trying to figure out how to get the maps to work. Couldn't figure it out, so I burnt up about 5 minutes of flight time, in addition to all the other flight time I burnt up. All right, I'm on the other camera now. So what did you think of this drone? I was actually impressed that all the features worked except for the waypoints. The waypoints, you know, might work in iOS on an Apple phone, but I don't have an Apple phone, so I can't try it. I never have any luck with waypoints on Android phones. It's hit and miss. So anyways, I have no idea. But I'm going to put a link below this video to where you can find this drone on the Banggood website. There's probably some coupons, some deals. It's probably on sale. These drones are always on sale. And this one's a lot of fun to fly. Now, when I flew it, I had it in the fast speed, not the slow filming speed, so that's why it was flying around really, really fast. And I probably burnt up a lot more juice that way as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the unboxing of this drone. Hey, if you don't want to stick around, you can end the video here, but remember to give it a thumbs up. But if you want to see the unboxing and see what comes with this drone, because you're interested in it, then keep on watching. So thanks for watching. We're going to the unboxing now. Here we go. And now a quick unboxing of this JJRC GPS drone with 15-minute flight time. Let's check it out. First thing in the box would be instructions for the drone and a few instructions for the app itself. Next thing we see is a drone in the shape of a Phantom and a massive controller below it. It's yeah, it's pretty nice with the gold on here. So let's check that out. Taking a close look at the drone, you can see the paint finish on here is outstanding. They did a really good job with the paint finish on that. The motors are not too bad too. They are brushed motors, they're not brushless, but yeah, they did a good job on the paint and the design. They're putting some quality into this. So, and you got some nice little LED lights at the bottom. Everything's nicely molded into this drone. So I'm going to say this looks like somebody put some quality into this drone when they were building it, even though it is sort of a beginner drone. On the bottom, we have an on-off switch right here, and we have two little connectors right here for the camera itself. Let's pull out the battery. It's like a huge piece of gum. It's quite large. This is where most of the weight comes. There's a big battery. 850 milliamps. It is a 7.4 volts, so that's a 2-cell battery. So there's 2 cells in here, and it's got a little JST plug connector, so you could go to your local hobby store, buy another battery, and get that connector, and just make sure it fits in this big hole back here. Let's yank out this large controller. Interestingly, they put a piece of foam over the lanyard spot. The controller is really nice in the hands. It feels like a big Phantom controller. And look at this, metal switches up here. That is different. I don't usually see that on a controller, metal switches. That's cool. Everything's nicely laid out, so you really don't need a language to understand what the buttons do. Nice paint job with the black and the gold. It really makes it look quality-like. And on the back is where you're going to put the batteries, and it's going to take 4 AA batteries. Next thing in the box is the 1080p camera. It is electronic, so there's a little gearing system in here that will move it up and down. And right over here is where you put your micro SD card. Also included are 4 spare props, a USB battery charger, an attachment for the controller to put your cell phone in here, and you get the landing legs that you have to install yourself. All right, so we have the drone here, batteries in the back. I'm just going to plop it down to get some weight. 168 grams. Let's add the 2 landing legs, 176 grams. And let's not forget the camera, 203 grams total weight. Are you still here? So you watched the unboxing? Hey, good for you, great. Well, this is the end of the video, so I gotta let you go. So anyways, don't forget, thumbs up, catch you in the next video. Take care.